Breaking news from the fourth planet. NASA's latest images from Mars have arrived, revealing secrets that could change everything we know about our solar system. Mars, the mysterious red world, has long captured our imagination. For centuries we've wondered, is there life on Mars? What stories are hidden beneath its rusty surface? Now, our robotic explorers are finally giving us answers. These new photographs are more than just pictures. They're windows into a world both alien and strangely familiar. The images show a dramatic planet of extremes, towering volcanoes, deep canyons, and vast plains. Mars was not always the cold, dry desert we see today. It once had flowing rivers, vast lakes, and maybe even a great ocean. Our journey to understand Mars is one of humanity's greatest adventures. Each new photo adds another piece to the puzzle. The latest discoveries are truly shocking. Mars was once warm and wet, with the right ingredients for life. The question is no longer just, was there water on Mars, but was there life? As we look at these breathtaking images, we're filled with awe and wonder. The red planet is slowly giving up its secrets, one photo at a time. The journey has just begun, and the most shocking discoveries may still be waiting for us, buried under the red sands of Mars.
To appreciate these discoveries, we must first understand Mars itself. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, orbiting at an average distance of 228 million kilometers. Its year lasts 687 Earth days, and it's much smaller than Earth. If Earth were a basketball, Mars would be a softball. Mars's weaker gravity means you'd weigh only a third of your Earth weight. This low gravity is why Mars has such a thin atmosphere. Over time, it couldn't hold on to a thick blanket of air. Today, the Martian atmosphere is over 100 times thinner than Earth's, mostly carbon dioxide, offering little protection from radiation. Temperatures swing wildly. A summer day at the equator might reach 20 degrees, but at night, it can drop to 73 degrees, and even colder at the poles. The surface is a vast desert, with smooth plains, shifting dunes, and rugged highlands. Mars is home to the largest volcano and the deepest canyon in the solar system. Its northern hemisphere is mostly low plains, while the south is ancient cratered highlands. This stark difference, called the Martian dichotomy, hints at a cataclysmic event in the planet's distant past. Mars's landscape is a record of ancient impacts, volcanic eruptions, and dramatic climate shifts. Understanding this world is key to unlocking its secrets. Among the most incredible features in NASA's photos is Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system. This shield volcano was built up over millions of years by countless lava flows, creating a mountain with a gentle, sloping profile. Olympus Mons stands 22 kilometers high, nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Its base is so wide it would cover the state of Arizona. At the summit sits a massive caldera, a collection of overlapping pits 80 kilometers across. Olympus Mons formed because Mars lacks tectonic plates. Its crust stayed put, letting a single hotspot feed the volcano for hundreds of millions of years. The result, a silent giant, a monument to Mars's once active geology. Exploring Olympus Mons would be a challenge. Its slopes are gentle, but a sheer cliff up to 8 kilometers high surrounds its base. These cliffs, likely formed by landslides or ancient glaciers, are a formidable barrier. Olympus Mons is dormant now, but its existence tells of a time when Mars was geologically alive. It's a reminder of the planet's dynamic past. Olympus Mons is part of the Tharsis Bulge, a vast volcanic upland stretching thousands of kilometers across Mars's equator. This region rises 10 kilometers above the plains and is home to 3 other giant volcanoes: Ascraeus Mons, Pavonis Mons, and Arsia Mons. The Tharsis Bulge's formation was a turning point in Martian history. For billions of years, magma pushed up from the interior, swelling the crust and releasing enormous amounts of gas and water vapor. This may have created a thicker, warmer atmosphere, making Mars more habitable in its distant past. The volcanoes could have provided the warmth, air, and water needed for life. Today, the Tharsis volcanoes are dormant, but their legacy is written across the planet. The immense weight of Tharsis fractured the crust, creating vast canyon systems. The most spectacular is Valles Marineris, a canyon so large it dwarfs anything on Earth. Tharsis shows us a Mars that was once geologically alive, capable of creating features on a scale we can barely imagine. It's a powerful reminder of how geology shapes a planet's destiny. Stretching from Tharsis is Valles Marineris, one of the most breathtaking features in the solar system. This vast network of canyons runs over 4,000 kilometers along the Martian equator. If it were on Earth, it would stretch from New York to California. Valles Marineris is up to 200 kilometers wide and 7 kilometers deep, making Earth's Grand Canyon look tiny by comparison. Its origin is linked to the Tharsis Bulge. As the region swelled, it cracked the crust, creating this colossal scar. Over time, landslides and wind widened and deepened the canyons. Some scientists believe Valles Marineris once held massive lakes, fed by underground aquifers or melting ice. The canyon walls expose billions of years of Martian history, layers that tell the story of water, climate, and geology. Valles Marineris is a treasure trove for future exploration, holding clues to Mars's dramatic past. In the northern hemisphere lies Utopia Planitia, a vast, smooth plain hiding a remarkable secret. It's one of the largest impact basins in the solar system, but what's beneath the surface is even more exciting. NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter discovered a massive deposit of water ice here, enough to fill Lake Superior. The ice is buried just a few meters below the surface, making it a potential resource for future explorers. Water is essential for life and exploration: drinking, growing food, making air, and even rocket fuel. Utopia. Planitia is a prime candidate for a future human base on Mars. It's already hosted robotic explorers, including NASA's Viking 2 and China's Zhurong rover. These missions are studying the geology and searching for more evidence of water. Utopia. Planitia's hidden ocean could be key to humanity's future on Mars. Jezero Crater is one of the most exciting places on Mars, a former lakebed and the landing site for NASA's Perseverance rover. Billions of years ago, a river flowed into this crater, creating a delta, prime real estate for ancient life. Perseverance's mission search for signs of ancient microbial life, or biosignatures, in the rocks and sediments. The rover analyzes rocks for organic molecules and patterns that could have been created by living things. It also collects core samples, sealing them in tubes for a future mission to bring back to Earth. The Mars Sample Return mission could finally answer the question, did life ever exist on Mars? Even if no life is found, these samples will reveal Mars's early history, climate, and geology. Perseverance's work is a critical step in our quest to understand our place in the universe. Perseverance's journey through Jezero Crater is rewriting Mars's story. The rover found igneous rocks on the crater floor, evidence of volcanic activity after the lake formed. Climbing the ancient river delta, Perseverance studies fine layers of mudstone and siltstone, ideal for preserving signs of ancient life. Its Mastcam Z creates panoramic images, while Sherlock searches for organic molecules. Perseverance is joined by Ingenuity, a tiny helicopter that scouts the terrain from above, revolutionizing planetary exploration. The rover's carefully collected samples represent a timeline of Jezero's changing environment. These tubes, waiting on the Martian surface, are messages from an ancient world. They could unlock the deepest secrets of Mars, and maybe reveal a second genesis of life. As our robotic explorers send back shocking discoveries, the mystery of Mars deepens. We've learned it was once a warm, wet world with the potential for life, and we've found vast reserves of water ice. The next leap, the Mars Sample Return mission, bringing Martian rocks back to Earth for the first time. But the ultimate goal is to send humans to Mars, a journey as ambitious as Apollo, but on a new frontier. Astronauts could conduct complex fieldwork, set up labs, and use their intuition to explore in ways robots can't. They could drill for underground ice, searching for signs of current life. A human presence would transform our understanding of Mars and mark a new era for humanity. The discoveries made today are laying the groundwork for that future. Mars is no longer just a distant red light. It's a world of beauty, mystery, and promise. The story of Mars is still being written, and the most exciting chapters are yet to come.